Morning guys, it's Billy again from Willsecure Systems. Just a quick video today announcing that we are now offering mobile fitting. So as you can see, obviously the weather's getting a little bit nicer and we want to get out of the workshop basically. So we are going to be offering mobile fitting across our less intrusive range of installs. So this includes dash cams front and rear, tracking systems and Pandora storm and mini BT systems. So we're going to be covering most of the Doncaster and Scunthorpe areas and the surrounding areas as well. So just drop us a message, we can get to work, college, school, your home address, anything like that, and we'll get you booked in. Cheers.